Hey guys, another traffic ad bar video with Viral Mailer Payday with it. Guys, I want to show you how you can use this system where you can bring leads into your inbox with traffic ad bar using the Viral Mailer Payday. I'm just telling you, use this system and you will bring a lot of traffic. So guys, stay tuned for this powerful training and let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I do a video, you'll be notified. Also, guys, I got what I think the best program for 2023. It launched in December and it's hitting the internet like wildfire. Guys, you need to get in before it just totally gets saturated. I'm telling you, you need to jump on board now. You won't regret it. Go ahead and do it right now. What's going on, guys? We're gonna go ahead and get into the training. And this particular video is talking about a traffic ad bar. And I wanted to show you, even though I have shown you other parts of this particular system that I'm using, to be able to get 5 to 10 leads a day with the traffic ad bar system and to be able to get ad credits along with it. I haven't just actually showed you some of the tools that I was using to obtain what I'm trying to accomplish. So tonight I'm just going to show you one way that I'm using it, and you can use it with all the other sites. Now, this is one of the lead capture pages you will probably see below, and you can go ahead and opt in and get this particular system. So let's just go up here and look at what system we're talking about. All right, we're talking about the viral let me say it right, the Viral Mailer Payday. So this is the system when you get to this page here, and what you will want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to sign up for all of these safe lists here. That's what you want to do. You want it might take you a week to do that, but you want to put in about 10 signups a day, and you want to sign up for these safe lists. And I know a lot of people hate to surf for credits, but the viral mailer payday helps it to make your job easier. So tonight I'm just going to show you just one site that we're going to surf for credit for, and I'm going to show you how quickly that is. But first, what you have to realize, let's go to the let me see where we put it at. Let's go to our site right here. Let's go here and we're going to look at it. So when you get to your traffic ad bar site, you want to go to advertisers, and then you want to just click in this open space. This is the URL you're going to advertise to all these safe lists. The reason why you're going to do that, because that's where you're going to get your credit from. See, that's adding credit back to your site. And when you add credit back to your site, you go up into the traffic ad bar system. That's what I was talking about. And then you can use this Viral Mailer Payday to help you get your credits. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what's going on in the Viral Mailer Payday. So let's just go ahead and test this out. Just say you already got your some of your sites done. And what it is, once you get it done, you can select. That's why you want to go ahead and segment them in groups. So once you do that, you're going to go there. And once you log into this system, you make it be, it's supposed to sync with your Gmail. And there are instructions on that teaches you how to do that. It's a tedious job, but you want to do that because you want to be safe when it comes to doing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through just a scenario. I'm going to refresh the screen, and it's going to pick up the next few sites. I only went 10 at a time. So it's going to pick up the next few sites that I can get credit from. And it does it for me instead of me going back to the other email and clicking. So what it does is it's sitting there and it's moving. And then it's looking right inside the box. And what's going to happen is it's fixing to populate the next 10 emails that you can click for credit. Just give it a second, Because like I said, when you're doing things and you're doing things for free, it requires a little time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of them, and then we're going to have it to open all the links. So you look at it, guys, it's opening up all the links a little bit at a time. I went 5 seconds in between. See, it's opening up all the links. Yeah, it's open up. Now, all these sites are not as easy as this one. Some of them you have to go and you have to match certain numbers to make sure you're real, because they try to keep you from doing certain things. So yeah, it's open up. It should open up 10 pages. And I'm going to tell you why I like to look at it. Reason why I look at these other ads is seeing who you're competing with. Who are you competing with? What kind of ads that are coming out in these safe lists are these exchangers that attracts you? So this is what make these sites attractive. You've got to look at them. So I go through and I look at them. Like right here, this site don't want you to do that. So they do a bot, so they make sure that it is you. So, and then eventually you're gonna go ahead and earn that credit. So let me see where we are. Let's go through and we'll just look through it. See, we'll look at here. You've got 26. You look through here, that's 23. You go through here and see, you looking at what people are advertising. What are they advertising? So, and then when you see what they're advertising and you run your ad through there, it makes you choose a 600,000 email worldwide. So, so what are people advertising? So you get a chance to look through that. You want to look through that, and it's just that simple. It is just that simple. So we have just went through 10 sites, and then you just come right here and you get rid of them. Now there are sites where you have to actually click for the credit. And I mean, not click for the credit. And we'll do one right quick. Let's just scroll down and let's just find us a known one that I know that we can use. Let's do the European safe list. We'll do that. And when you're dealing with the European safe list, they make you have to match the top part. I just wanted to do that just to show you what we're doing. And what you're doing, you adding credits. So you're adding credits. So when you decide to mail, you have enough credit to mail your ads. And I know this is tedious, guys. This is really, really tedious. So, but when you not want to spend a lot of money on advertisers or to solos, this is an affordable way to do it. Now it costs you some time, but if you in a business and you want to earn some money, guys, you will make time for this. You would just make time. So if you look at my channel, I've started to put motivational videos into my shorts. And it's when you come to my channels and you happen to go through those motivational videos, even though all of them are not just business opportunity motivation, it is just to motivate the people that subscribe to the channel to go forward, to never quit, to go forward in your business. So this is why I added that little twist to it. So look what we're doing. We're going through and it's open up the European safe list. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here while it's opening it up. I always let it go through 10 first and look at it. See, it's going through what it needs to go through. But what the European safe list does, it makes you have to actually look at it. So let's go ahead and look at it. You see, now we're going to have to match that 47 to get your credit. That is cool. You got 300 credit. Then you go to the next one. At least you get a chance to look at what is being advertised. Okay. So that's 300 credits. That's pretty cool. Then you go through and you look at that. And European safe list is another safe list that's very responsive on your on what you're doing. So like I said, you can come in and play a hope game. You have to put some kind of lead. Like, look at this. That was a 1,500 credit. So that's for a very upgraded member. So that's cool. You go and click that's 300. And let's go and look at this. This is what you're doing on this. That's 300. So what you're doing here, you're providing credits in mail. And to be honest with you, on the European safe list, you need to click for credits every day. The guy got, see, that's 1,500 credits. You want to get as much credits as you can so you can mail out. Look here. This is what I'm talking about, guys, right here. See what he does? He has the actual he has the the traffic ad bar below, and this is a upgraded member because he's got more points for that. Eventually I'll get back to that day, just not ready now. I don't do crypto, so you have to pay with crypto. So, and here we go, 68, and let's go 68 and click that. We get 1,500 credits. See, that is absolutely fantastic, guys. But yeah, with the traffic ad bar system and the Viral Mailer Payday, you can really generate points. It's a 2-for-1 deal, and you saw that right here. This guy here, let me click back. He's gained 15 points because I clicked on it. It could be a girl. Anyway, he's gained 15 points for me clicking on it. Who else clicks on it? Say if he gets 30 clicks or 40 clicks a day from this system, and that's 30 times 15 points. You're getting a lot of points, guys. So that's how you increase your points with traffic ad bar. You will see it, the link below. Go ahead and take this system and take it whole, because this system here will bring you some traffic. Guys, take care. I'll see you on the next video.